For today's vlog, pupunta tayo ng Vietnam! Alright, so for today's vlog, I am really happy after months of working hard, dun sa mga sleepless nights, dun sa mga stressful nights, syempre, at one point, kailangan naman nating mag-enjoy. Ayan. I'm really happy because I will be spending it with my friends. Ikikwento ko sa inyo yung magiging itinerary namin doon sa entire 5 days sa Vietnam. And ikikwento ko rin sa inyo kung magkano yung mga nagastos natin dito sa Vietnam trip. So far, life is good. There are a lot of challenges, but you know, parte kasi talaga ng buhay natin yung challenges eh. And hindi siya mawawala. One time, nag-try akong mag-surf sa La Union. Naalala ko yung oras na nakaganyan ako, nakadapa ako sa surfboard habang hinihintay yung hampas ng alon. And then from that moment, I realized na, oo nga pala, no? It's how you will ride the waves. Life is good. I hope kayo, okay din kayo. Kung meron kayong mga, let's say, mga content na gusto nyong gawin natin, di ba, sa susunod, or kung sino yung gusto nyong makakollaborate natin, comment lang kayo sa comment section and tingnan natin kung pwede natin gawan ng paraan. So we are here now at Terminal 3 ng NAIA, and our flight will be later at 7:50 p.m. Nakapasa na tayo sa first part of going in, and kasama natin ngayon si Attorney Jose.
Hey, what's up?
Yan ang ating partner for this trip. Nakapasa na tayo sa immigration and yung pag-scan. Let's go!
Hey, let's rock!
Xin chào!
Xin chào, come on!
Xin chào, come on! Okay, so it's gonna be a 3-hour long flight. Also, yung total cost ng aming nagastos for this trip is 25,000 pesos. Round trip na yon each. Maya naman, i-update ko kayo dun sa hotel price, how much yung magagastos natin for this entire trip. So, let's go! Hi, Bessie. Hi. Ang aking mga seatmates. Okay, so we are here at the Peninsula at napakaganda niya because nasa harap lang natin yung beach. There's a lot of places you can tour, walk around. Ayan. We're here now. Nag-enjoy kami sa food. The food is surprisingly good. Estimated for the entire meal is 3.5 million Vietnamese money. More or less 8 to 10,000 pesos. But super sulit. I think that's it for my first day. First night in Da Nang, Vietnam. So I'll see you on my next video. Good morning, Vietnam! This is our first day here in Vietnam. Nakatulog ako ng maayos kagabi. Nag-hot tub ako. Naglakad kami ng friends ko. Papunta dito sa Pho Co Co Noodle Soup. Maglo-launch muna kami ng authentic Vietnam cuisine. Tingnan natin kung yun ay papasa sa ating taste buds. So, surprisingly, very fulfilling yung food. Ang sarap niya. And, sobrang mura niya. 80 pesos, mabubusog ka na dun sa pho nila. So, nandito tayo sa Pinku Cafe. Maganda yung review sa Google. So, let's check it out. It's so cool. Parang ang daming mga areas where you can just chill. Malalasahan mo agad yung, of course, the base, the coconut base. And then it's nice pala nahaluan mo ng coffee. There's a different taste to it. I like it. Hello guys! Hi!
Hello!
Hi! How was the coffee
Hi
shop?
vlog! Welcome
Hi.
today guys! Coconut coffee for the day.
What did you have?
Authentic matcha.
Wow. So good! There's still a lot to explore dito sa Danang. I'm very happy because budget-friendly ang Danang. Ang Vietnam in general. Isipin mo yung mga kinain namin kanina, what, less than 500 pesos for coffee and food. Love it. I love it. Good evening. It is 10 p.m. dito sa Danang, Vietnam. And tonight, pupunta tayo sa night market. Tingnan natin kung ano yung pwede nating mabili at maiuwi sa Pilipinas. Exciting times. Let's do it. Let's go. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Cho Dem Sontra night market. And as you can see, sobrang daming tao. Super exciting nito. Para siyang Divisoria or Baclaran. This will be our first time going here. Kaya, let's go! Busog, mga kapuso. Sarap ng food. Super fresh. Iba yung culture dito nung nakaupo ka sa maliit na chair. Talagang siksikan, but there's a vibe to it. You know? Ang favorite ko dito is yung liampo, lobsters, skewers, tsaka yung mussels. So yung total na amount nung kinain namin, sobrang dami na noon. Pinaghatian namin siya is 1.8 million Vietnamese dollars. Then pinaghatian namin each. So pumapatak siya ng 444 pesos each. Busog na busog. Enjoy. Ang sarap ng food. So worth it. And super mura. Good morning! This is our day 2 here in Danang, Vietnam. So last night, sobrang nag-enjoy ang mga friends. Today is very jam-packed. Ayan. So dito muna tayo sa first, Luwa. Dito nila ginagawa yung silk. So tingnan natin to, mga kabroskis. Let's go!
And you see, they have the two inside.
Ito yung mga nagagawa ng mga cocoons. Ganda ng ano, ganda ng mga designs. Few things na natutunan ko dito sa silk shop is that yung yellow na yung nakita nyo kanina, yun yung mas marami sa collagen, and then there's white. Yung mga silk na hinahaluan din nila ng flowers para kapag ni-rub mo siya, meron siyang scent of flowers. And it's nice. Well, silk is relatively soft talaga. Ang dami mong makikita, mga restaurants, mga boats, and a lot of tourists also. Nakakahilo, pero masaya. Enjoy ba, bro?
Enjoy, bro!
Yes, sir!
That was nice, nice.
Vietnamese people are so happy. They're smiling, they're always smiling. Sobrang mura dito, as in super mura. Imagine this coffee. This is only, what, 30 pesos? But sobrang sarap. Kung mag-e-enjoy ka nang hindi nawawasak yung bulsa mo. That's what I love about Vietnam. So nandito tayo sa Tien Tan No. Dito yung murang paggawaan ng mga suits and damit. Yung starting price niya is 2.5 million. You can go as much as 4 million Vietnamese. And then you will get your own design, get to choose your own fabric. Nakahanap tayo ng aesthetic na Vietnamese restaurant dito. Hindi pa tayo na-fail ng food ng Vietnam. So, let's see. Dahil tapos na tayong kumain, busog na tayo, napakarami nating kinain. Magpapa-foods pa naman muna tayo. And then, doon na tayo tutuloy sa the rest of our itinerary for today. Habang nagpapa-foods pa ang half of the group, iikot naman muna tayo dito sa market ng Hoi An. Ganda ng Indo-China design, language ng lugar na ito. Meron pang parang mga karwahe, pero bike siya. Since nandito tayo sa Old Town, sobrang laki nito, sobrang lawak. Mapapagod kayo at sasakit ang mga paa nyo pag inikot nyo tong Old Town ng Hoi An. Once na nag-pass na kayo dun sa bridge, yun naman yung tinatawag na lang New Town. Itong nakikita nyo yung bridge sa likod, yan, ang Japanese bridge. Makikita nyo rin siya dito sa 20,000 Vietnamese money. Ayan o. There you go. Ayan. So ito ang kanilang bridge na nagko-connecta sa Old Town and sa New Town. Dahil itong new part of the town ay night market, ngayon pa lang sila naglalagay ng mga kanilang paninda. Sobrang mura ng drinks, guys. Sobrang mura. Kasi parang 200 pesos, 300 pesos. Mamaya samahan nyo kami as we will explore naman yung waterways ng Da Nang. Let's do this! Hello! Nag-wish na tayo sa sa river.
Oh, may wish ako.
Anong wish? Anong wish?
World peace.
Wow!
Successful elections.
Oo nga. So yun, maglalay tayo ng lantern mamaya.
Yeah.
Ito yan. And then magwi-wish tayo.
This is the lantern with the candle inside. Yes, and after you turn on the light with the candle, you can close your eye and you can make a wish. When you open your eye, you can put it on the river like this. And the God River can hear you and they will pray for you.
It is 7:34 Philippine time. It's actually 8:34 here in Vietnam. So seafood night tayo ulit. And pakita ko sa inyo ulit yung mga seafood na nandito. So natapos na tayo sa ating napaka-grabing food trip sa araw na to. This seafood restaurant that we are in is part of the Michelin Guide of 2024. So, super worth it. Mura lang yung pagkain. Hindi ko alam kung saan pa kami pupunta after this. But, ayun. It was a good night. Nandito tayo ngayon sa paggawaan ng perlas. Let's go.
Okay, Logan, are you ready to go inside with me?
Ready! So it's 11 a.m. Vietnam time and we just arrived here at Bana Hills. Tingnan natin kung anong makikita natin mamaya. Picture muna tayo dito. Yan.
they saw too many banana trees. So they call this mountain is banana mountain. Yes.
So it's a 20-minute cable car ride and marami kang makikita, packet ka ng packet, malamig ang temperatura. Grabe guys, naglaki na itong lugar na ito and excited na ako para sa ating free beer. Let's go for the free beer. Xin chào! Dito tayo sa loob ng isang German restaurant here at Bana Hills. So mamaya, pag tapos na natin tikman tong beer, ikot-ikot tayo para tingnan kung ano yung mga pwede nating bilhin or makita. So tara, let's go! Nagpapag na! Hindi na natin makita ang mga kaganapan dito. I'm so happy, super happy. Woo! Nandito tayo sa loob ng Pop Bar. So tingnan natin yung mga cute na mga bagay dito. Let's go! Yeah, this is my first time buying a Pop Bar. What I got was the Hirono. And this one also Hirono shelter. Kasi cute yung mga characters na nandito. So, let's go! Alright! So I had so much fun exploring Vietnam. Masaya ako dahil masarap ang kanilang pagkain. Ang culture nila is very strong also. And they're humble people in general. I will end my vlog here. Thank you very much for watching my videos. This is Brent Valdez. Sana masubscribe nyo ako. And kung meron pa kayong mga gustong videos na mapanood on the next, please let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. This is Brent. I will see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.